brother. So what's going on? Very special and very I have one very good news for Vechain holder. Yes, very special news for Vechain holder. But this is also live price prediction video. So let's get started for the price prediction of a Vechain. What's going on now, Vechain? And then I have decide. Then I give you good news. Okay. So before I get started this brand video, I request please subscribe and also like this video. If you really need this video, press the bell icon for latest videos update. Okay, so guys, Vechain as one of the first cryptocurrencies. Everybody know this, and Vechain totally gone very fastly on those days because every cryptocurrencies as goes down. Yes, lost, but I don't follow to Vechain going very fastly. Vechain give us a very good result. You can see here this time Vechain price as $15.21 US dollar. My goodness, very Vechain, and there are 16.27. Wow, friends, this is crash result. 16.25% they're going up. And you can check out the market cap. The market cap is here. You can see here the market cap is here, and 16.25% market cap has gone up. So this is crash result. Full diluted market cap at 16.15% going up. What a brilliant shot. And volume of last 24 hours as 46.75%. What a brilliant shot, man. Vechain, I can't believe that my expectation is very good from Vechain, but oh my goodness, they're gone like this speed. I hope they can easily hit $1 US dollar. What you can say, they can hit it? I hope they can hit it. Okay, guys. So let's check out the market cap to what the market cap. And one more big question you can see here. How do you feel about Vechain today? So I feel very good because this is very good result. So guys, a lot of people tell me what we do and this critical situation: sell, hold, or buy. So absolutely, I suggest you. My opinion is that to absolutely Vechain is gone fastly, and so absolutely you are going to buy, as you are going to buy it. Then absolutely I think this is good point. This is a good day for buyers. Please, if you have any plan to buy more, then please buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good result. Okay, so guys, this time if you can see here the highest chain and the lowest chain. The lowest chain at 0.122072 US dollar. You can see here, and the highest chain, what a brilliant man. They can easily hit half US dollar if they go like this. Okay, so my friends, this time if you can see here 0.1586 US dollar as the highest target, highest they chase it. Okay, so let's see to what's going on, my friends, and a graph result very important for this big decision to what we are do, sell, hold, or buy. Okay, friends, so this time if you can see here how do I feel. So this time I think the 100% odd has gone good. So let's see to what's going on in previous and upcoming time. Okay, so let's see. This is very important for all Vechain holder, my brother. If you need this type more informative video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. I guide you if you are new holder. Okay, so keep so guys, the graph result is one of the most important part in this video. Let's see the graph result, what's going on in the 7 graph result. This time if you can see here the graph result is totally starting going up. Wow, this is crazy, man. They are in the moon. They are in the dump. You can see here no big dump. Everywhere no big dump. This time like a small dump but no big dump. And again they take a very high dump. So my friend, if they go like this, then absolutely make you a millionaire. They give you a very good price. So please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good result. So my opinion is that to please buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.